We have one of the most special muscle cars of all times, a 1970 Chevelle SS 454 with 450 horsepower in a convertible, loaded up with some nice options. This is a factory black car that's been confirmed, body off frame restored. It's got so much going for it. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have the monthly payment and price tag, including this one right here. Scan the QR code that's on your screen at any time, and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. There's been rumors of 16 made, 25 made of the LS6 convertible. They recently sold one for $770,000 at auction. That one was fully documented, which this one is not. It is restored to original condition. The motor and the transmission are both VIN stamped to this car. Could very well have been a restamp. But we do know it is a factory black car, and it is built to factory specs. So anyway, let's talk about this beautiful black body. Black doesn't hide anything, and this one has nothing to hide. It is absolutely straight. The gaps are all real nice. It's smooth all the way down to the rocker panel. The door opens up effortlessly. The bottom of the quarter panels, all clean. All the lines are real nice. Even right here, it's smooth. It's not cracked. Got the hairline on the other side. And this paint job is about 15 years old. That's about when the car was restored. And this is all absolutely straight, fits pristine. Yeah, a couple of hairline cracks here. There's a seam right here, and all the convertibles twist, especially with an LS6 motor under the hood. So the quarter panel's beautiful. All the lines are all nice. It's like looking into a mirror. Look at that. The gaps are spot on. The rockers are nice and clean. I got a rag because you'll need to have one of these with a black car. People's fingerprints and drool. Opens and closes very nicely. The fender is mint. The hood sits nice and flush and square. It's a little nick touched up. It does have the Cowl induction with the flapper door and the hood pins. Even up here around the headlight bezels, it fits very nicely. So the fit and the finish, the body is in really great shape. It has the white SS stripes on it, really adds some pop. When they restored it, all the trim, the moldings, the emblems, all this stuff was replaced. All the seals and weather strips were replaced. There's a hairline crack right here in the paint as well. So a couple very minor flaws you'd have to look for. Sitting on properly restored SS wheels with the reproduction wide oval tires. The black convertible top looks to be in great shape. The weather strips were all replaced. We do have a black boot coming for it. I just don't have it today. Back here, it's all redone. The SS pad and the bumper and lenses and all that good stuff is all redone. Windshield was replaced. So yeah, right there. And this is a factory black 70 Chevelle convertible. Let's open it up. Got a lot more to show you. All right, let's see what it looks like inside here. Well, it looks like the latch was replaced, all painted real nice. Sticker and weather strip are replaced. Again, all painted nice, slick black. Inside looks to be rock solid, clean metal with the spatter finish. They even have a fifth matching SS wheel with a complete jack assembly, and it has a matching reproduction tire. It's never been used. Well liner was replaced. Looks like the wiring was replaced. Clean and complete. So when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. So door jambs are painted. Weather strips were replaced. Has a complete reproduction interior, including the door panels, armrests, window cranks. Full dash area, the dash pad, the instrument panel, all that's been replaced. The gauges, tachometer, clock. Oh, clock is ticking. It has a AM/FM radio, power top switch. All the knobs are matching. It has a sales brochure that'll go with it in the glove box. inspection sheet. There's the owner's manual. Kit panels, vents, all looking real nice. Has some aftermarket rubber Chevelle mats. Carpet looks good. Console was all replaced. As the correct re-chromed Muncie 4-speed shifter. The seats have been re-cushioned. They feel real nice, all reupholstered. The headrests and all the trim has all been replaced. Same thing back here. You got floor mats, working light on the back of the console, all the upholstery, side panels, all that's looking real good and all replaced. And the visors and the mirror were replaced. Sport wheel on a tilt column. So like I said, some nice options. Buckets, console, AM/FM, gauges, sport wheel, tilt column. And this is a 1970 LS6 motor. It has the dates, it has the casting codes, and then up front on the pad, it is stamped with the right codes, the matching VIN number. So this would have the big port heads matched up to the factory aluminum low-rise intake that came on these cars. All the equipment for the carburetor, the wires and choke and fuel line, all correct. And on top does have the functional Cowl induction system. The firewall is clean and all the components were replaced. This is all clean. Now this has the smog equipment, the pumps down there. That's just the way it would have come from the factory. It has deep groove pulleys. So this high revving engine, you don't want the belts to fly off. And all looking good. The horns, the shroud, brackets, all the components are looking real nice. GM hose, reproduction clamps, power steering, power brakes, and it has been verified that that is the original trim tag. This is a factory triple black car. Then to make the functional Cowl induction, it has the flapper doors all hooked up. The cowl is all complete. Squirters are hooked up. You got hood insulation. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs. We'll see in a few minutes.
That's a nice running 454. It's always a good time throwing that rock crusher around. But yeah, gorgeous restoration. Just a great running vehicle here. See a nice downshift there. Functioning really nicely. Power steering's easy, but you still got a good feel of things. Yeah, let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Really smooth running car. Everything's doing exactly what we wanted it to do. And the clock is even working. Cruising like this, there's nothing that beats it. Somebody's going to get an absolute winner of a car and be very happy that they made the decision to get this one. Contact our sales team if you'd like to come take it for a test drive, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So I think I told you this was body off frame restored, and underneath is done to factory specs. It has the F41 suspension that includes front and rear sway bars, box rear control arms. All of that was rebuilt, and it has the assembly line markings even put back in place. It has a nice sounding dual exhaust system. The fuel system was all replaced. Brake system was all replaced. These have disc in front, drum in back. The lines, the e-brake cables, all was redone. Looking up at the motor, it's all clean Chevy orange, stock oil pan, stock starter. Has the right overspray on the bell housing. And the 4-speed I keep talking about is a Muncie M22. That's the rock crusher. That's the heavy duty 4-speed. And that is also coded and VIN number matched to this car. In back is a 12-bolt rear end. And I believe it has 336 posi gears. Where can I find that? Oh, there we go. Yeah, 336 posi 12-bolt rear end. The floors are all nice metal. Got a really special car here. Just a black 70 Chevelle with the LS6 motor and all these options. It's a neat piece. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get this delivered to your door. Insurance, financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.